What's up, guys? Box or break number 2 of today. Sweet spot, the big one. Nothing in the packs, as if you watched in the previous vid. Feels rather light. It's really cold. Just came in, so hope I didn't get a redemption, but my luck, I did. I guess that's pretty thick. Alright. Whoa. Looks like we got something nice. Jeter base out of 850. Not a bad way to start. Victor Martinez. Not bad either. First hit. Michael Young. Jersey card. Little ding corner there, but what are you going to do? Big hurt. Frank Thomas jersey on the back. Not bad, not bad. The rookie auto, Alexi Casilla for the Twins. I don't think those are numbered. It's pretty cool. And out of 25, not bad, not bad. Gold Stitch, Gold Ink, Delman Young. Nice. That is a sweet card. Gold Ink. Try to back it up there. Gold Stitch. 18 of 25. So, nice. Can't complain. That's Tampa Bay. I got a pretty good deal on this box too, so go over the hits. Michael Young jersey again. That has a dinged up corner. I don't like that. Alexi Casilla, or Casilla, or whatever. I assume it's Casilla. I think I've heard of him, but I don't know. Let me know if he's any good. He may be good. And big hurt, Frank Thomas jersey, green jersey, obviously from the Athletics. So, and then the Jeter base and Martinez base. Thanks for watching, guys. Getting some more stuff in later. But go subscribe if you haven't, please. And thanks for watching. Oh, one more thing before I go. This one card I pulled out of the 3 packs I did, I've checked up. It's number 6 of 49. And that is to his Al Kaline. The Al Kaline insert from Heroes. And that is number 2 his jersey number. So that's kind of cool. eBay 101. Just want to let you guys know that. Thanks for watching. Go subscribe. Thanks.